feels it knows, who feels it knows. Enough nights we got me bed hungry. We couldn't go to let you me shot a crowd in a shame for that. Who feels it knows, who feels it knows. Growing up my life wasn't easy.
Lion foot.
Lion foot.
Yo, Lion foot.
Lion foot.
Now Lion Foot TV.
Lion Foot TV to the fullest.
Lion foot.
Bless up the man self in a Lion Foot.
Lion foot.
Lion Foot.
Lion foot.
Lion Foot.
Lion foot to the world.
Lion foot TV.
Oh, Lion foot.
Lion Foot TV.
Big up Lion foot TV.
Lion Foot.
Lion foot, you're so great. Cause you're blessed by the most high.
Bless all and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. I hope all is blessed and as usual. I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health and health of our wealth. And your health is your wealth, so take care of it. Anyone that I will love and blessings. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. Welcome to Lion Foot TV. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, you don't know in this episode we have a nice performance from Beenie man, very epic. Yes, I say hectic. Yes, I say yes man, enjoyful man and entertaining, and yes, I say also Just Chris went up and did his part, played his role. Yes, I say, and this is an event held by Bounty Killer. Yes, I say big up the General Bounty Killer. I want part of Porous. Yes, I say Joshi was there, Munga was there, Richie Stevens was there, and other acts was there, Nitty Kochi. But when we get the footage gem, we put them on the platform. But the one here Beenie man, yo, big up the King Beenie man, big up the King Beenie man. My hats lift off again. So I say my viewers and subscribers, I'm gonna say Beenie man can create history. Because I see Beenie man and Just Chris and move close from the other day, and I'm like that. You see me say Beenie man can create history, as I'm saying at the title. You see me say boss a youth, send a youth a road. Big up Just Chris. Some viewers and subscribers who no long talking, we go straight into the, we can watch the performance, but I just want to say big up, rest in peace, Merciless once more. You see me as some viewers and subscribers, so watch what Gwaan.
It's all about rock. And if you want him to tell it, I am on the end. I am on the end. And you more than like that. And if you want him to tell it, never cry now. Never cry now. Can somebody say, oh, na, 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 na. Oh, na, 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 na. Oh, sing it, sing it, sing it, sing it, sing it, na na na. Oh, na na. Welcome to Gwaan, Mexico. Welcome to Gwaan, Mexico. Please, me ask one more before me go this. One. The one burn of business now. No one can say about this. We just stand here for we start drinking. Because we're up there, we're standing up and turning. So when we talk back now, we're standing up and standing. So go to our mother, one girl can't hold it. Three girls can't. Gotta give me money, gotta keep me close. Now they go, yeah, you sing for me. Man, say up, no, yeah. Yeah, that's what you do. Now me have to request for one song then. Pull up. But come have a sing from a fan then. Beenie man and Bunty together there on the poster. And I need to do the act. So we must get a request. We can request one more song. Drop it. Let's find it there. 1, 2, 3, here we go. 1, 2, 3, here we go. 1, 2, here we go. 1, 2, here we go. Man a bang, man a in a dance, go. Anywhere we go, we have the star on the show. Every Beenie man fans, we have no one like yourself. When I make up the back, when the baby back, say I make up the back, when the shiny back, yeah, I make up the back, when the baby back, say I make up. Can you sing this song, please? Everybody's talking. Yo, pull up. Very nice.
Yeah.
Them say kids in here, say me I only have to go sing that song. Everybody know them do this something, keep it in your pocket. Every Jamaican going in a bowl, go so. Sing it out! Again! Everybody we have to go in here, so. Oh, Johnny, do that. I'm sorry. Everybody, we love God and love themselves. And the soul of their past Francis. Follow me, do this. Let me hear that. Hey! Then tell one more God night. Everybody, come on, come on. Everybody, to be with me. Let me not tell you. What will I be today? What will I love tonight? I'll be with me. Here's the top of the place. I'm going to be. Who knows the man to the dance? Who knows?
Yes, my viewers and subscribers want to say, when I entertain, I am entertained, I'm impressed and pleased, you know. Right now, may I tell you, say, it's a joy, you know what I mean, to put this performance forward to Uno. Big up all of the Beenie Man fans, them. You see me I say? Yes, man, I learned from the performance, and this is a nice performance for the artists them for watch and learn how interact and connect with the fans them on stage, the people in the audience. That's how you win fans. That's how you gain fans. You see me I say? By performing like that, performance like that. You see me I say? So big up Beenie Man. I know Beenie Man a veteran, trademark. You see me? The king. You see me I say? One of the king of dancehall. Because we are all kings. You see me I say? Big up Beenie Man. Yeah, man. Great performance, man. I mean, I lie. I love what Just Chris went up and did his part, played his role, performance, him hit song, ding, ding, ding. That's a trademark. You see me, him never go on them song them with the people him not to connect with. You know, Ring Ding Ding is a viral worldwide song. So your man draw for the right song and right decision that. Big up Just Chris. Keep on doing your work, brother. Me I watch your thing and go along till you do it before even me. And me just want to say, big up yourself and all the best. See? Yes, man. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think in the comment section now. You don't know a lion put you in another vlog. Once again, big up everybody. I'm out. Not another word out of my mouth.
Trigger finger, say they made it hot. And I go round and a fire wild shot. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. Who are issue contract? For the killing them go shoot up the black. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.